Okay, let's see. Oh, Ethereum is dumping. Dumping and dumping, of course. Okay. Let me make sure the stream is running. Because OBS be weird sometimes. Let's see. Let's see. Is this not popping up in my channel on my phone just yet? Oh, there it is. There we go. Alright. And it's just fine. So, well, let's look at crypto for a little bit before I head off to work. And, yeah. Let's see here. Um, so, what I'm seeing here in Ethereum is if we don't get a bounce off of like this trend line, let's go to the 1 hour. Uh, let's look at the tools here. What is that? I don't even know what I don't know what I did. Guess we'll just do a projection. Guess that will work out here. Make it look sideways. And over here, this territory. This is what I see personally. If we break down lower than this, there's a chance we keep dumping. Over here would be like a projection for a breakout region if we don't, it keeps dumping at this rate. It keeps dumping at this rate, we'll hit it like right here. But there's gonna be some up and downs, it might get to like right here, hit this trend line type situation on ETH, about 3,300. I'm more of a trend based trader, and I take my own. Crypto's really a lot about it is trend based, so it has like high volatility, obviously. But what I'm seeing here is if we can like maintain in this area, not break down lower than this, um, we might be pumping up higher, or we could consolidate here. I mean, there's a couple things that could happen. Nothing's a guarantee, but it's good to set references, and that's what I do. Make my own kind of references, and boom. Dang, my account's down like $100 or something. Holy shit. Yeah. My P&L is dropping. Since yesterday. I'm happy I'm happy I sold some of my stuff. I bought a little bit back today though. So but ETH could done if it this is what really could happen if we were to get like a miniature bear case. This area is where we would need to hold up for consolidation. If we were to pump even higher, if we were to get like a big dump like that, something crazy, it happens. So I'm not expecting this. I'm expecting more of this upside projection, but this is definitely a possibility. It might hit this radius, this vertex, pump up from the vertex. You could do that, but this projection, if it starts breaking these references, I'll have to change my references. But these are my two references right now. If it breaks out higher than this, it's full send basically. Up fast 4,000 probably, unless we get like a fake out. That is a decent pullback, especially after Trump just signed the Genius Act. That is very interesting. Very interesting. I was either expecting a pullback or a dump, and Ethereum's pumped quite a bit right now, so expected to have a good pullback. This is here. Could do like can I not do like a full circle? It's a little funky. Oh well. Target zone. Put like an X there. Let's make this all fucking weird and stupid looking. So no one has any idea what's happening when they come here. Target zone. Unless we just keep pumping. Moment of truth area. Moment of truth. Can I put wood? Yeah. I'm going for an arrow. Could ask ChatGPT real quick. Oh, there's an arrow. Okay. We will see now what happens with all these references and shit. Yeah. With East doing what it's doing right now, could do this. Pump up. But I'm thinking more of this. You know, this is the area where a good re-entry would be. Maybe more of a trend line like this. Maybe a bit of consolidation in this region. And then if it breaks out of this radii right here, it could go down a little more. We will see. And I will update my analysis. Kind of complicated looking. But basically, right now, you want to wait, in my opinion. Wait to re-enter. Wait to maybe close a little bit of your positions if you're still in profit. Like, right here. Trump. You know what? See, I'll close 5 of them. I'll just take a little bit of risk off because there's a chance that we can dump a little more. I've already made a lot of profit. This account was like $100, 2x, 2.5x, and I was like a 3x yesterday. Just the volatility in the crypto market though goes up and down crazy, and then I have extreme amounts of leverage. I have like $1,000 in leverage on this account. So at this rate, I'd say it's just a little bit about waiting a couple days, maybe wait till Monday. Weekend we could pump. If we start pumping again, maybe re-enter if you're feeling it. Yeah, I'm gonna go off of this, and we'll see what happens with Ethereum dominance, Bitcoin dominance, and I need to check on total market cap as well. Solana's looking like it's about to take a little bit of a dump. Yeah. We'll close that position and I'll re-enter. You know, the gains aren't gonna be Solana, I'm only having one Solana. Securing the gains, it's a couple dollars or whatever. I've been scalping this like crazy, making money, so I'll re-enter whenever it seems better. Could maintain this small trend line, but the likelihood of that is slim in my opinion, especially with Ethereum dumping. Whole market is being weird right now. Yeah. It's probably gonna bounce right here, honestly, for like probably 75, and then it's gonna dump back down. That's my opinion. That's what I think's about to happen at this current moment. It's probably gonna go up to about 75 and dump back down. I'm not gonna take a trade, but that's probably what's gonna happen. I'm gonna continue this line. It's gonna, yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna continue something like this for the current moment. And it will break, Solana will break down to probably, Solana's like really good. I traded a bunch because it's really good. I only trade longs, but I like scalping it up right now. It might have the parabolic breakout here. It is hitting this resistance level, you know. So this area, we might just get a little bit of a pullback here, about 165, about $10 dump, and then I can re-enter and save that $10 that I just sold. So, or I can miss out on a little bit of gains. I'd rather miss out on some gains than lose money or risk losing money. It's a better feeling. So I take trades and I try to execute the trades. Sometimes I don't. That's why my account's down $100. But it's because I'm holding majority of my positions. Some of them are stupid. This was just up a bunch. I don't know why I didn't sell that. Look, like $5. That's not a bunch, but $5 on $1.50 margin, 20x. I just spread my risk out. See, now I'm negative on PopCat $5, but I've realized $20 in gains. You know, I could have took, and I've also, if we go to my position history, so Solana $14 gainer right here, Eva AI $17 gainer, and PopCat 12, like $8 again on Ava. Bunch of like $5 ones. There's a $24 gainer on Ava. I've made quite a bit on Ava. And there's a couple of losses. There's like $1, $2 losses spread throughout here. You know, I try to take my losses as fast as I can. Or if I plan on holding, the reason my losses are so small is because I either take losses quick or I'll hold it until an ad so I don't get liquidated. You know, I manage my account pretty well, so I make sure I don't get liquidated. But I also have like I only have like a $200 account, but I have basically 5x spread across everything right now, and it's not a bad idea. No matter how much money you want to risk. So I'm only risking about like I only risked $100 at first, but uh, right now I'm risking 240. Did it go up? Maybe. I think this is down a lot. I don't know. Well, it's only down $60, so I'm down $60. Yeah, it's pumping now. See, it's going up. It's gonna go up to 175 because it dumped down. Yeah, I got to take the trade, but it's not a trade I'm willing to risk. The risk to reward is not worth it. Oh, look, 175. Here we go. It's gonna hit 175. Maybe ETH starting to pump. Want to see it hit 175. Oh, 175. Oh, 150. Nope. It's gonna be like right here. Probably gonna go over this line a little bit. And it will dump back down. Or it might pump here. It could do it. Is it gonna maintain this trend line? Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm still in this target region. Yep. Alright. Alright, I gotta get ready to go to work. Yeah, I might make a video out of this. I don't know. I'm gonna try to stream a little more often, get more viewership maybe. Yeah, we'll see what happens. And I'll probably invest in a better camera. I have a decent mic already. getting better lighting. I already have a decent setup. It's not too bad. It's not terrible. It's not as bad as it was. So yeah, we're improving. But yeah, I'll be continuing crypto streams and art streams. So crypto, art, and probably some engineering. So this channel is kind of a wild range of shit. Some of it will be for you, maybe. Some of it might not be. Whatever. If you like it, you can like it. But if you don't, cool. Find something else you like. But I mean, you can hate too if you want, because it actually helps. But you can hate. If you don't like it, leave a dislike and comment down below why you don't like it, and that would be helpful. Thank you. So yeah, look at this. We got a little bit of a pump here underneath. We're gonna see what happens, but I will see y'all later if anyone comes by. Peace.